Have you ever wondered how pencils are made? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating process behind the creation of these everyday tools. It all starts with wood preparation. Picture this, a forest of majestic cedar trees, their wood prized for its smooth texture and excellent sharpening qualities. These trees are destined for an exciting journey, one that will turn them into the pencils we use every day. The first step in this process is selecting the best logs. These chosen ones will be cut into small blocks known as pencil slats. This task is carried out by a machine aptly named the slat cutter. But that's not all. We can't just go from log to pencil in one fell swoop. No, the slats need to undergo a transformation first. They're sent to a kiln, a specialized oven that dries out the wood. This step is crucial as it reduces the moisture content in the slats, making the wood more stable and less likely to crack. It's a bit like sunbathing but for wood. So, we've selected our cedar logs, we've cut them into slats, and we've dried them out in the kiln. We're now left with wood that's ready and raring to go. But this is just the beginning. The preparation of the wood is merely the first step in our pencil-making journey. And there you have it. That's how the humble pencil begins its life. Not as a sleek writing instrument, but as a simple piece of cedar wood. It's a process that requires precision, patience, and a whole lot of cedar trees. So, with our wood prepared and ready, it's time to move on to the next step of the journey. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of pencil manufacturing. Up next, the creation of the pencil core. We'll see you there. With the slats prepared, it's time to introduce the graphite and clay mixture that forms the core of the pencil. The dried pencil slats are passed through a machine known as the grooving machine. This machine, as its name suggests, carves out grooves along the slats. These grooves are the future homes of the graphite core, providing the necessary space within the wood for the writing material of the pencil. Next, the graphite mixture is prepared. This mixture is a blend of graphite powder and clay. It's fascinating to note that the ratio of graphite to clay in this mixture is critical as it determines the hardness of the pencil lead. A higher graphite to clay ratio results in a softer pencil lead, ideal for sketching and drawing, while a higher clay to graphite ratio creates a harder pencil lead, perfect for crisp, detailed writing. Once this mixture is prepared, it's time for the lead insertion process. A machine called a lead insertion machine takes the graphite mixture and inserts it into the grooves of the slats. This process ensures that each pencil has a straight, centered lead core, a vital feature for a high-quality pencil. With the graphite mixture nestled snugly within the grooves of the slats, another slat is then glued on top, creating a sandwich-like structure. This second slat seals in the graphite mixture, and the two pieces of wood are firmly bonded together, enclosing the graphite core within. Finally, the sandwiched slats are compressed and trimmed. This process is integral to achieving the desired thickness of the pencil. The compression ensures that the graphite core is secure within the wood, while the trimming shapes the pencil to its final width. Now that we have the basic form of our pencil, it's time to shape and coat the pencil. This marks the end of the pencil core formation stage, a process that combines mechanical precision with a dash of chemistry. The graphite core, now safely housed within the wood slat, is ready to be shaped, coated, and ultimately used to create. The pencil at this stage is still quite rough around the edges, but that's about to change. The journey from a sandwich slat to a sleek pencil involves cutting, shaping, and coating. The sandwich slats filled with the graphite mixture are first cut into individual pencil lengths. This process is no small feat, as it requires precision and accuracy. A cutting machine is used to slice the slats, ensuring each pencil is of equal length. This is the first time we begin to see the familiar form of a pencil emerge from the rough wooden blocks. Once the pencils have been cut to the right length, the next step is to shape them. Now, you might be wondering, why do pencils have that characteristic hexagonal shape? It's not just for aesthetics. The hexagonal shape prevents the pencil from rolling off a table or desk, making it practical as well as pleasing to the eye. A shaping machine is used to achieve this form. The pencil is rotated and the excess wood is shaved off, leaving a smooth cylindrical shape. Whether hexagonal or round, the shaping process ensures a comfortable grip for writing or drawing. Now, onto the final step in this stage, the coating. The shaped pencils are coated with a thin layer of lacquer or paint. This is where the pencil gets its vibrant color, be it the classic yellow or a rainbow of hues. The coating serves a dual purpose. It not only makes the pencil more attractive but also seals the wood, protecting it from moisture and damage. This protective layer ensures the longevity of the pencil, preserving its quality for countless sketches and notes. With our pencils now looking more like the familiar tool we all know and love, it's time to add the finishing touches. It's all in the details, and that's especially true when it comes to completing our pencils. Now that our pencils have been shaped and coated, it's time to add the finishing touches that make them ready for use. First off, we have the eraser. You know that little pink bit at the end of a pencil that's a lifesaver when you make a mistake? That's attached to the end opposite the graphite point, and adhesive is used to secure the eraser onto the pencil. This is a critical step because a pencil without an eraser is like a cake without icing. It's just not complete. Once the eraser is attached, it's time to dress up the pencil. The pencils are imprinted with the brand name, logo, and other relevant information. This is done using a printing machine. It's like giving each pencil its own unique identity. The printing process is swift and efficient, ensuring that every pencil is perfectly branded. Now we have our apparently finished pencils. But are they really ready? Not quite. Before these pencils can be sent out into the world, they need to pass through stringent quality control checks. These checks are performed to ensure that the pencils meet the desired standards. Any defective pencils are discarded or sent back for rework. This ensures that only the best make it to the packaging stage. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The finished pencils are packaged into boxes or blister packs, ready for distribution and sale. The packaging process is the last step in the manufacturing journey of a pencil. It's like a graduation ceremony where the pencils are finally ready to go out and fulfill their purpose. And there we have it, a box of brand new pencils ready to be used by students, artists, and professionals around the world. From a piece of cedar wood to the final touches, the journey of a pencil is a testament to the perfect blend of machinery and craftsmanship. Now every time you hold a pencil, you'll know the story behind its creation. From a simple piece of cedar wood to a fully formed pencil, it's been quite a journey. We've traveled through the meticulous steps of pencil manufacturing, reminding us that even the most common objects we use daily are products of intricate processes and skilled craftsmanship. We started with the careful selection and preparation of cedar wood, prized for its smooth texture and sharpening capabilities. The wood underwent cutting into blocks, known as pencil slats, followed by a drying process in a kiln, ensuring stability and preventing cracking. Then, we moved on to the formation of the pencil core. Grooves were carved into the slats, ready to receive the graphite mixture. This mix, primarily composed of graphite powder and clay, is the heart of the pencil, determining the hardness of the lead. This graphite-filled slat was then sealed with another slat, creating a sandwich-like structure which was compressed and trimmed to the desired thickness. Next, the journey took us to the shaping and coating phase. The sandwiched slats were cut into individual pencil lengths, shaped into their familiar hexagonal or round form, and then coated with a layer of lacquer or paint. This not only adds aesthetic appeal but also protects the wood from moisture and damage. Finally, we witnessed the finishing touches. An eraser was attached to one end, the brand name and other relevant information were imprinted, and quality control checks were carried out, ensuring every pencil meets the desired standards. The finished products were then packaged, ready for distribution and sale. The process of pencil manufacturing is a symphony of precision, skill, and technology. It's a reminder of the craftsmanship that goes into creating even the simplest of items in our everyday lives. Next time you pick up a pencil, remember the journey it's been on to get to your hand. Who knew something so simple could have such a complex story?